In this video, we will discuss how to create a newsletter in 2022. The first one is define the goal of your newsletter. There is a lot you can accomplish for your business with the email newsletter before choosing your email platform and diving into writing your first mail out. Consider the goal of your newsletter. Relationship and audience building. One of the primary benefits of an email newsletter is connecting with prospective and previous buyers. Building a long term advice. Accomplish this through sharing useful information with readers and giving behind the scenes detail about your business with subscribers. For instance, if you have selling home goods, you can send email detailing interior design and decoder tips. With your newsletter, go beyond simple promoting your products and providing content that positions you can as an authority and allows you to build credibility in your niches. Education. A newsletter is an excellent medium to provide education content, teaching subscribers the way they can use your products. For instance, if you have selling makeup brushes and beauty tools, send tutorials on how to use them to create a full face look for New Year's evening. If you have selling a 2022 stationery planner, send email education subscribing on how to goal set to accomplish an annual viewing using the product. Education can convince prospective customers to buy and retain existing customers. Selling products and services. One of the primary way to use your email marketing newsletter is to directly sell your products and services. Play the part of a curator featuring new products to best selling item in your newsletter to drive traffic to your website. Occasionally provide limited time discounts and promotions pricing to the subscribers. Referrals. An email newsletter can be a tool of creating ambassadors. Provide email subscribers with a referral link to help them spread the word about your business in exchange for a reward. For instance, extend a code of 10% off for their friend and give them 10% off their next purchases for every successful referral. The next one is determine your email newsletter strategy. Selling an email newsletter strategy sounds serious and daunting, but it really just means determining some of the detail about your newsletter before you start sending email. For instance, thinking about you, how you have hoping to reach the audience segments you will create content for, the topic you will cover, how people will sign up for updates. The next one is define your audience. Your audience is how you have trying to reach and communicate with through your newsletter. If you are a business owner with the goal of ultimately having your email marketing support your business, this audience will likely include prospective buyers and or previous customers. But what are the defined feature of these groups? It's likely you have a behind ideal customer persona for your business that can also serve as the idea audience for your newsletter. The next one is narrow your audience segments. Audience segments means sending specific email to specific for your email list. This allows for a level of customization and personalization that better serve readers in action. You might have an email list for 1K subscribers and have a customer segment for 750 subscribers who get update about eyeglasses and sunglasses, and 250 subscribers that only get update about sunglasses. Email segmentations helps avoid email fatigue or having subscribers miss out the information that most important to them. Decide on your topic. Determine your content strategy and the specific topic that you will cover in your newsletter. The type of content you write should be informed by the goal of your newsletter. If you have selling dinnerware and bespoke stools, you might pick topics like how to information on throwing the perfect dinner party and educational advice on keeping your culturally looking search feature. Determine points of email capturing. Consider where people will be able to enter their email address and subscribe to your newsletter. For instance, your website visitor could fill out a form and subscribes from your home page. If you have a blog, prompt people to sign up through a pop-up on the page or at a form at the button. Include a link to subscribe to your newsletter in also section of your social media platform. Decide on your send cadence. Strike the right cadence to send newsletter. In one part art and one part science. You don't want to, but you have want to send email so infrequently that you have no top of mind when it comes time to buy a recommended. Additional consistency Additional consistency is key. Stick to sending on your section same days of the week and avoid setting a cadence that you cannot keep with you. The third one is pick your newsletter platform. Build in template and customize themes, email personalizations, email segmentations, email automations, email scheduling, email testing, A/B testing capabilities, campaign measurements, and analytics. These are all the features how to pick your newsletter platform. Thank you very much.